We can easily make a moving text simply by using a marquee tag. Hello friends, I would like to share you how we can make these types of moving text. I'll be simplifying this tutorial so that you can easily get a grasp on it. Hey, what's up? This is Chogyal from the channel Chogyal. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. First of all, let's make a very basic marquee effect. Just type any text between opening and closing of your marquee tag. Now you can see here a very cool effect of your marquee tag. Don't worry about the code. Link to the different styles of moving text code is given down in the description. You can also add a color and do so much more to your moving text. We have changed here the text color to blue. Let's try another color using a color picker. Pick your desired color code and replace here with blue. Next, you can add boldness using a B tag. Boldness has been added now. Let's add font family and font size. I'm using here Comic Sans MS for font family and for font size 13 points. Now we are done with the font family and font size. Add background color. I'm adding the background color light green. We can change the speed of the moving text. Just type here scroll amount is equal to double inverted comma 20 double inverted comma. If you change the scroll amount to 0, the speed of your moving text will become 0. For now, let's set the scroll amount to 5. Let's make the moving text to stop when we place the cursor on it. Create an ID to the opening of the marquee tag so that we can give command to the moving text. For ID, let's keep scroll. Now using a div tag, give a command to the ID. Just type this code. Close the div tag from here. The text is stopping when we place the cursor on it, but fail to move again while releasing the cursor. So let's give one more command. Add another code at the opening of your div tag. You can see here the text is stopping on placing the cursor, and while releasing the cursor, the text is moving again. Next, let's add a hyperlink to the moving text. Under this B tag, insert any link you want by using the A tag. Close the A tag right at the end of your text. We have successfully created a link, but the color of the text has become brown. This is just happening as the default links of this block have been set to brown. Let's make the link to open in a new tab or another page. It here, target is equal to double inverted comma underscore blank double inverted comma. Now let's add some more text. It is very easy. Just copy this code from the opening of A tag till the closing of A tag and paste it down. Press space twice and then type hype. Again press space twice and hit enter. Right click on your mouse and paste here. All you have to do is just change the link and the name of the text. You can also change the direction of your moving text to right, left, up and down. Here I am changing the direction to right. change the direction to down. It will look much better if we can change the height of text background. Let's say the height of the text background is 90. Shift the text to center. So finally, how did you feel about this video? Please leave your comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.